Lesson 1. Basic Operators. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads and the docs on the right become our guide. You will fill plus and/or on 3 assigned lines, then verify the results. Write combinational operators, simulate and confirm sum and out and/or out. These operators all sit on continuous assigned lines. They keep driving wires. Plus adds and is bitwise AND or is bitwise OR. For vectors, each bit lane is handled on its own. So with the same inputs A and B, you get 3 different results in parallel as sum and out and OR out. Inputs A and B fit 3 parallel assigns to sum and out and OR out. Your TODOs are the 3 operators in design.v. Type plus, then AND, then OR, and say with Ctrl S. Those 3 operators are filled in. Open simulation and press run. The log shows sum 8 and out 00 or out F, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TP-score and add the signals. Watch each stimulus step, add and end or update together. Same inputs, 3 different operators, that is the lesson. Next, open Synthesis and run Yosys. Open the circuit schematic to see adder and gate cells. Quick review. 3 assigns, A plus B, A and B, and A or B. The test bench applies a few hex pairs and prints each result. That is basic operators. See you in the next lesson.